Welcome to 1182 Frank Hill Road, a peaceful and private country property that is only minutes from downtown Ashland. The pristine newer home sits on 3.32 acres of irrigated land, with great views and opportunities for animals and gardening. Built in 2012, the home features a well-designed 1,952 square foot split floor plan. As you enter the home's open concept living space, you are greeted by wonderful views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Open to the dining and living spaces, the kitchen is great for a family and would be excellent for entertaining. The island kitchen features granite counters, walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage. At the opposite end of the home is the expansive master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, an office, 2 guest bedrooms, guest bath, and laundry room round out the single-level floor plan. The home also includes an oversized 2-car garage. This property offers the discerning buyer a great turnkey home, and along with a property that is both usable and private, all while being just minutes from downtown Ashland. Ashland and the greater Southern Oregon area is renowned for outdoor recreation, intense natural beauty, and is an international wine and culture destination. Come see what makes Southern Oregon a truly special place to call home.